Everyone, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. My dear class 9th students, today I am going to do the remaining questions of the exercise 7C based on the chapter logarithm. In the last 3 videos we have made the enough discussion over the laws of the logarithm. There are 3 popular laws related to logarithm. These laws are product law, quotient law and power law. So using these laws we have solved the questions of exercises 7a, 7b and some questions of 7c. Today we will do some more questions of the 7c. So my dear students, remember, most of us are making mistake in doing the questions where the product of the logs are there. I have told you there is no law for the product of logs. I mean, if I ask log A into log B into log C, most of you give the answer, and which is wrong. Most of you, what you do? You use the product law and give the answer. It means you are not, now still you are not clear about the product law. Product law says that if there is a single log over the product of numbers, and here what am I asking? I am asking you to get the product of the logs, log A into log B into log C. So there is no formula for simplifying log A into log B into log C. Remember it? There is a formula for log of ABC, which becomes log A plus log B plus log C. But there is no formula for log A into log B into log C. Similarly, there is no formula for log A upon log B. In some of the questions involving the numbers log A upon log B, we use the other laws of logarithm to simplify them, but never consider log A upon log B for applying the quotient law. Some of you apply the quotient law in the case of log A upon log B and write it as log A minus log B, which is the wrong answer. So be careful. There is no law for log A upon log B. There is no law for log A into log B into log C. There is no law for log of A plus B plus C. Some of you use the log over addition. If there is log A plus B plus C, never use product law or quotient law or power law. What am I asking? I am asking log A into log B into log C. Most of you give the wrong answer. Have I given you formula for simplifying this? Some of you use here product law and give the answer, which will be wrong. Similarly, when I ask log of A plus B plus C, you apply the log of logarithm and give the answer. There is no law of logarithm for this. बट आप लोग लगा के कुछ ना कुछ बोल देते हो जो कि रॉन्ग है. सिमिलरली, अगर मैं पूछता हूँ log A upon log B, some of you apply the quotient law and say that log A minus log B, which is wrong answer. Don't apply any of the 3 laws which I have given to you to simplify these 3. Some of you use the product law, quotient law and power law to simplify these, which will be the wrong process. So keep these things in mind. No law for these things. Now I go to do the question number 2. 12. Question number 13 of exercise 7C. The question is, solve the equation log of y to the base 10 plus this is question number 15. Log of y to the base 10 plus 2 log x equals to 2. The question is, express y in terms of x. How do we express y in terms of x? We can express y in terms of x only when we remove the log from this equation. So what shall we do to remove the log? To remove the log, first we will change these two terms of log to a single log. How? Look at, since log y to the base 10 plus 2 into log x to the base 10 equals to 2. Therefore, log y to the base 10 plus log x square to the base 10. What have I done? I have used the converse of power law. This is 2 into, it means it was there before applying the power law. Power law से पहले ये 2 कहाँ था? यहाँ था. So we will be using the converse of the power law to remove this 2. To send this 2 there, I have sent it. Up equal to 2. Now these two terms of log, ये दोनों log के terms को एक term बनाना है. कैसे? ये और ये 2 log हैं और ऐड हुए हैं. It means इसमें लगा है product law. तो converse of product law if we use, we can write it that log y into x square to the base 10 equals to 2. I have used here converse of product law. ये addition of logs है, तो ये रहा होगा एक single log over the product of y and x square. So I have changed these two terms of log to a single log. Now I will remove this log. To remove this log, I will have to use the process which I have taught to you in exercise 1. Exercise 1 में मैंने पढ़ाया था कि कैसे log को हटाएं. I mean, logarithmic form can be changed to exponential form. कैसे? ये बेस है, ये इंडेक्स है. So 10 to the power 2 equals to x square y. What we want? Y. Therefore y equals to 100 upon x square. So this is the final answer. Next one. Question number 16. What do we have in 16? We have the values of a, b and c with us. A is 1 plus log 2 to the base 10 minus log 5. B is 2 log 3 to the base 10 C is log m to the base 10 minus log 5 to the base 10. Find the value of m if a plus b equals to 2c. So what shall we do? In this equation, the values of a, b and c we will substitute. a ये दिया है, b की वैल्यू ये है, यहाँ रख दीजिए. 1 plus log 2 minus log 5 to the base 10 plus this is value of a plus b, this is value of b plus 2 log 3 a plus b equals to 2 into c. The value of c is log m to the base 10 minus log 5 to the base 10. We have to add, let us simplify. 1 plus log 2 to the base 10 minus log 5 to the base 10 plus ये 2 कहाँ रहा होगा? पावर पे. So we can write it as log 3 square to the base 10. अब यहाँ पे मत सोचिएगा कि ये 2 पावर पे रहा होगा, नहीं. First we will simplify the bracket. The law of algebra says that first we need to simplify the bracket. So in this bracket we have the difference of the logs. So by the converse of the quotient law, it can be changed to log m upon 5. So 2 into log m upon 5 to the base 10. Okay, यहाँ आइए, this is 1. I have told you in one of the videos that log 10 to the base 10 is 1, log 100 to the base 10 is 2, log 1000 to the base 10 is 3. So it can be changed to a log 10 to the base 10. Plus log 2 to the base 10 minus log 5 to the base 10 plus log 9 to the base 10 equals to log m upon 5 to the power 2 to the base 10. I hope you understood. This 2 we can send there. So these 4 terms of log can be changed to a single log. कैसे? log ये और ये सभी प्लस हैं. So we will multiply the numbers. 10 into 2 into 9 upon 5 to the base 10 equals to log m square upon 25 to the base 10. 5 2 ja 10. So we get 9 2 ja 18 2 ja 36. Log 36 to the base 10 equals to log m square upon 25 to the base 10. Now what we do? We will remove the log from both the sides. Let us remove. We get 36 equals to m square upon 25. On doing the cross multiplication, we get the value of m square as 36 into 25. To get m, we will take square root of 36 into 25. Generally we write here plus minus, but in case of logarithm we will not go further negative value. So square root of 36 is 6, square root of 25 is 5. So we get the value of m as 30. In case of rational irrational chapter, the value of m can be plus minus 30. Next question, question number 17. We have to express as a single logarithm 2 plus half log 9 minus 2 log 5 to the base 10. These three terms can be changed to a single log only when we write this into log. This too can be written as in logarithm form as log 100 to the base 10. So let us write this as log 100 to the base 10. This is half, which is the factor of this product, so this half will go to the power of 9. So log 9 to the base 10, and power of the base 9 will be half. Similarly, this will change to 5 square, log of 5 square to the base 10. So we have three terms of log. We can change the three terms of log to a single log. So to make that change, क्या करेंगे? इनको मल्टीप्लाई और उस प्रोडक्ट को इससे डिवाइड करेंगे. I hope you know that 9 to the power half is 3. So we will write 100 into 3 upon 25. 5 square is 25. So 25 4 ja 100. So we will get log 12 to the base 10 as the final simplified answer. Log 12 to the base 10. Now we go to question number 18. We have the values of a, b and c. A is log 12, b is log 6. If the base is not mentioned, we will consider the base as 10. C is 2 times log square root 2. Let us first change this 2. We will write this c as log square root 2 power 2. I hope you know that square root of 2, square of square root 2 is 2. So this becomes log 2. अगर ये भी नहीं आ रहा है तो देखिए रूट 2 इंटू रूट 2 becomes root 4 and root 4 is 2. So a is log 12, b is log 6 and c, the simplified value is log 2. What we want? First part, we want to get the value of a minus b minus c, and in the second part we want to get the value of 9 to the power a minus b minus c. So let us substitute the values of a, b and c in this expression. Log 12 minus log 6 minus log 2. A log 12, b log 6, c log 2. These two terms are negatives. So you know that it can be changed to a single log. But for that we will have to write log of 12 upon 6 into 2. Log of 1. 12, 12. 1. Log 1 at any number, आपके स्तर पे log 1 at any number is 0. So the value of a minus b minus c is 0. Answer. To get the answer of second part, we will put this value which we have got 0. So second part's answer is 9 to the power 0, which becomes finally 1. Question number 19. We have x, y and z. X is log 12 to the base 10. Y is log 2 to the base 4 multiplied by log 9 to the base 10. Before writing z, मैं पहले इस प्रोडक्ट को सिंप्लीफाई करूंगा. कोई लॉ नहीं है. देयर इज नो लॉ इन द लॉगरिथम टू सिंप्लीफाई द प्रोडक्ट, लेकिन बाय यूजिंग द ट्रिक हम लोग इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने की कोशिश करेंगे. न तो यहाँ प्रोडक्ट लॉ लगेगा, न तो यहाँ पावर लॉ लगेगा, न तो यहाँ कोशेंट लॉ लगेगा. क्या लगेगा? प्लीज लुक एट दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. To simplify the product of logs, as I told you at the beginning itself today that there is no law for handling the product of logs. लेकिन ये क्वेश्चन एक स्पेशल क्वेश्चन है जिसमें हम कुछ स्पेशल ट्रिक लगा करके दिस वी कैन सिंप्लीफाई दिस प्रोडक्ट. हाउ? लुक एट दिस. दिस इज 2. We can write it as 4 to the power half. Square root of 4 is 2. Base is 4 into log 9 to the base 10. ठीक. यूजिंग द पावर लॉ, अब ये हाफ यहाँ आ जाएगा. सो हाफ log 4 to the base 4. This power can be brought here into log 9 to the base 10. अब क्या करेंगे? We know that log of a number to the same base is 1, so we will write it as 1. So half into 1 into log 9 to the base 10, which is half log 9 to the base 10. This is the factor of this product, so this will go there, equals to log 9 to the power half base 10. This exponent half indicates that square root of 9 should be taken. So this reduces to log 3 to the base 10 because square root of 9 is 3. So final simplified value of y is log 3. So we have simplified this product using a trick, not using the product law, quotient law or division law. We have used a trick. So simplified value of this is log 3. Let us write z. What is z? Z is log 0.4 to the base 10. So we have the values of log x, log y and log z. With the help of these, the values of log y, x, y and z, we are going to get the first part, x minus y minus z. So x is log 12, y is log 3, z is log 0.4. So these three terms of log can be changed to a single log. So log of 12 divided by 3 into 0.4 to the base 10. So log 12 upon 1.2 to the base 10. 1.2 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 12 आएगा. So we will get 12 by 120 by 12, 10. So log 10 to the base 10, which is 1. Log of a number to the same base is 1. तो इसकी वैल्यू 10, log 10 to the base 10 is 1. तो हमारा फर्स्ट पार्ट का आंसर आया 1. सेकेंड पार्ट, in second part we have to prove that 6 to the power x minus y minus z equals to 6. Left hand side, 6 to the power x minus y minus z. The value of x minus y minus z we have calculated here 1. 6 to the power 1 is 6, which is right hand side, hence proved. Let us do question number 20. What do we have in question 20? We have the value of PQ as log 20 to the base 10 and log 25 to the base 10. These values of P and Q we will use to get x. We have an equation given that 2 into log x plus 1 to the base 10 equals to 2 into P minus Q. क्या करना है इस क्वेश्चन में? In this question with the help of these p and q and this equation we will get the value of x. उसके लिए क्या करेंगे, p और q की जगह पे ये रख देंगे. So 2 into log of x plus 1 to the base 10 equal to 2 multiplied by log 20 to the base 10 minus log 25 to the base 10. These two logs will be changed to a single log, but पहले ये 2 हटाइए. So log of x plus 1 whole square to the base 10 equals to log of 20 whole square to the base 10 minus log of 25 to the base 10. These two logs can be changed to a single log. So log of 20 square, I hope you know, 400. So log of 400 divided by 25 to the base 10. This side log of x plus 1 whole square to the base 10. मेरी बात को ध्यान से सुनिएगा. कुछ टीचर्स क्या करते हैं, log log कैंसिल. Never do, never do. You write simply removing log from both the sides. There is a rule to remove the log, and that rule says that to remove the log from both the sides of an equation, we need to take the anti-log. But since you don't know anti-log, that's why I am saying that don't write taking it anti-log of both the sides, but at least you write removing log. Don't cancel, it's wrong process. So x plus 1 whole square equals to 16. So x, take the square root. On taking the square root of both the sides, we get here x plus 1 and there plus minus 4. But don't take negative. As I said, in case of logarithm, to get the value of variable, we don't go for the negative value. So x plus 1 equals to 4. So x equals to 4 minus 1, 3. So value of x is 3. Question number 21. Without using logarithm table, evaluate 3 plus log 10 to the power minus 2 to the base 10. इसको इवेलुएट करना है तो कैसे इवेलुएट होगा, इसको भी लॉग में लिखना पड़ेगा. 3 की जगह पे कितना लॉग लिखें, log 1000 to the base 10. Plus log 10 to the power minus 2 to the base 10. These two logs can be changed to a single log using the converse of product law. So we will get log 1000 into 10 to the power minus 2 to the base 10. 10 to the power minus 2 can be changed to 1 upon 10 to the power 2. You have studied in the indices chapter, this power can be made positive. So 1000 upon 10 to the power 2. 1000 upon 100. So log of 10 to the base 10, which is 1. So final simplified answer of this is 1. Question number 22. We have log x to the base 10 as a. अगर हम इसको कहें कि चेंज करो इन एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म, so how will you change this into exponential form? 10 to the power a equals to x. Similarly, we have log y to the base 10 इक्वल्स टू बी। अगर मैं कहूँ कि इसको एक्सपोनेंशियल में बदलो, सो यू विल राइट 10 to the power b equals to y. Let us get the answers of the three parts of this question. In the first part we have to get 10 to the power a minus 1 in terms of x. कैसे? देखिए, हमारे पास 10 to the power a आ गया है x, सो इसको लिखेंगे हम 10 to the power a into 10 to the power minus 1. 10 to the power a अभी मैंने यहाँ लिखा है x, so x into 10 to the power minus 1, so x into 1 upon 10, so x by 10. 10 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 10 to the power 1. So answer is x by 10. Second part. For the second part, what we want? 10 to the power 2b. हमारे पास तो 10 to the power b है, so we can write it as 10 to the power b to the power 2. 2b को हम 10 to the power b to the power, या आप ये भी लिख सकते हो 10 to the power b into 10 to the power b, दोनों लिख सकते हैं. 10 to the power b into 10 to the power b, by product law b plus b becomes 2b. 10 to the power b is y, so you can write it as y into y, y square. Third part. For the third part, given that log of p to the base 10 equals to 2a minus b, तो चलिए a की वैल्यू रख देते हैं, b की वैल्यू रख देते हैं. So log of p to the base 10 equals to 2 into log a. Log a is given, 2 into a is given log x and b is given log y. So this 2 log x can be changed to log x square ना, ये 2 पावर में चला जाएगा, minus log y to the base 10. This is difference of log, and it can be changed to a single log, but to make this change upon में करना पड़ेगा. Now what I said, we can remove the log from both the sides. To remove the log from both the sides, we need to take the anti-log, or simply you remove, don't write anything. P equals to x square by y. So answer, we have expressed p in terms of x and y. Question number 23. We have 5 more questions, 6 more questions. So today we will finish this exercise, and when you request, I'll do the chapter test also, or when you say to begin the Pythagoras theorem, I'll begin Pythagoras, but I need your request in the comment box. Question number 23. We have 2 log 5 to the base 10 plus log 8 to the base 10 minus half log 4 to the base 10. We have to simplify this. Very simple. We have three terms of log. We will change the three terms of logs to a single. So log 5 square to the base 10 plus log 8 to the base 10 minus log 4 to the power half to the base 10. 5 square, you all know, it becomes 25. 4 to the power half becomes square root of 4, which is 2. Now these three terms of logs can be changed to a single log, but for that these numbers will be multiplied and this product should be divided by 2, keeping the base same. 2 4 ja 8. So we get log 100 to the base 10, और मैंने आपको बताया है कि log 100 to the base 10 is 2. Question number 24. We have log 2x. We have log 3y. We want to get log 60. It can be changed to log 2 into 3 into 10. So we can write it as log 2 plus log 3 plus log 10. Log 2 is x, log 3 is y, and log 10 to the base 10 is 1. Second part, we want log 1.2 to the base 10. We can write it as 2 into 2 into 3 by 10. (1.2) means 12 by 10. So log 2 plus log 2 plus log 3 minus log 10. आई होप आपको समझ में आया होगा. प्रोडक्ट क्लास है log 2 plus log 2 plus log 3. क्वेश्चन क्लास है minus log 10. Put their values. Log 2 given x. So x plus y minus 1. 2x plus y minus 1. Next. Next one is question number 25. We have 2 log x plus 1. कैसे इसको पढ़ेंगे? 2 log x to the base 10 प्लस 1. ये प्लस 1 अलग है, इस log के लिए नहीं है. ओके, इक्वल्स टू log 250 to the base 10. With the help of this equation we have to find x. This is logarithmic equation. इससे x की वैल्यू तभी आएगी जब दोनों तरफ से log हटे. दोनों तरफ से log हटाने के लिए पहले इसको भी log में लिखना होगा. So we can write it as log x square to the base 10 plus log 10 to the base 10 equals to log 2 log 250 to the base 10. अब ये दोनों प्लस हैं, so we can write it as log x square into 10 to the base 10 equals to log 250 to the base 10. Remove log. So 10x square equals to 250. So x square equals to 250 by 10. X square equals to 25. X equals to 5. Actually x equals to plus minus 5 होगा, but we will take only positive. Next one, log of x equals to m plus n. Log of y equals to m minus n. With the help of log x and log y, we want to find log of 10x upon y square to the base 10. चलिए पहले we use here product law and quotient law and power law, तीनों लॉ यहाँ लगाते हैं. So we will get log 10 plus log x माइनस log y स्क्वायर. ये डिवीजन है तो माइनस log y स्क्वायर. log 10 1 plus log x minus 2 log y. Using the power law we can get here 2 log y. So 1 plus log x is m plus n, log y is m minus n, open the bracket, 1 plus m plus n minus 2m plus 2n. So we get 1 minus m, n plus 2n, 3n. So answer is 1 minus m plus 3n. Next, question number 26, second part. We have to solve the given equation is log x to the base 10 equals to minus 2. This is an equation of log. We can remove the log. 10 to the power minus 2 equals 2x. 1 upon 10 square equals 2x. So x equal to 1 upon 100. Next, question number 27. We have log of p plus q by 3 equals to half log p plus log q. क्या लाना है? टी स्क्वायर प्लस क्यू स्क्वायर. अब याद रखिए मेरी बात को जो मैं बोला हूं. मोस्ट ऑफ यू मेक मिस्टेक. आप में से अधिक लोग इसमें गलती करते हैं. एंड यू देन व्हेन यू मेक मिस्टेक एंड टीचर डिडक्ट्स द मार्क्स, यू आर्ग्यू विथ द टीचर दैट सर व्हाई हैव यू डिडक्टेड माय मार्क्स? माय आंसर इज करेक्ट. You think that your answer is correct, but the way which you use to answer is not correct. तो ध्यान से सुनिए. ये दिया है, इससे ये लाना है. We have an equation of logarithm and we want an equation without logarithm. I repeat, हमको एक इक्वेशन लॉगरिथम का दिया है और जो लाना है वो बिना लॉगरिथम का लाना है. तो क्या करेंगे? दोनों तरफ से लॉग हटाना पड़ेगा. टू रिमूव द लॉग फ्रॉम बोथ द साइड्स क्या होना चाहिए? एक इधर लॉग होना चाहिए, एक उधर लॉग होना चाहिए, और लिखेंगे हम लोग रिमूविंग लॉग फ्रॉम बोथ द साइड्स. लेकिन कैसे होगा आइए सीखते हैं. सिंस log of p plus q by 3 equals to half log p प्लस log q. अब सुनिए ध्यान से सुनिए. आप लोग क्या करते हो? कुछ लोग जो ट्यूशन नहीं पढ़ते लेकिन सोचते हैं कि उनका तरीका सही है, या जो अपने से कुछ न कुछ करके आंसर ला देते हैं, वो सोचते हैं कि ये हाफ इसका फैक्टर है तो पावर में चला जाएगा, यहाँ चला जाएगा. नहीं, नो, नॉट एट ऑल. मैं पिछले क्वेश्चन में बोला हूँ कि पहले ये ब्रैकेट सिंप्लीफाई होगा तब फिर हाफ देखना है। सो हाउ विल यू डू इट? हाफ को हाफ ही रहने दो। दिस इज सम ऑफ लॉग्स, इट कैन बी चेंज टू अ सिंगल लॉग। आपको इसको लिखना होगा लॉग पी क्यू। नाउ दिस हाफ विल गो टू द पावर ऑफ पी क्यू। आप लोग यहां पावर ला देते हो, विच इज रॉन्ग। सो लॉग ऑफ पी क्यू टू द पावर हाफ, log of p plus q by 3. now remove the log। इसमें भी यहां भी गलती करते हो, लिखते हो स्क्वायरिंग बोथ द साइड्स। ये भी गलत, ये भी गलत। इस स्टेप के बाद डोंट राइट स्क्वायरिंग बोथ द साइड्स। ध्यान से सुन लो, लिखोगे रिमूविंग log p plus q by 3 equals to pq to the power half. Now you will write squaring both sides. So on squaring both sides you will get p plus q whole square by 9 equals to pq. I hope आपको पता है कि जब इसका स्क्वायर रूट करेंगे तभी ये हाफ हटेगा। ठीक, तो ये pq हो जाएगा और ये p plus q whole square by 9. So p plus q whole square equals to 9pq. Do the cross multiplication. Expand this. You will get p square plus q square plus 2pq equals to 9pq. इसको इधर ले जाओ, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो। p square plus q square equals to 7pq. Proved. So I hope you all will take care of the things what I have explained you in this question. If not, then you will lose the mark in the test or in the exam. This is important question. Last question of this exercise. Let's do. We have an equation without log. What is that? X square plus y square equals to 51xy. To show log of x minus y by 7 equals to half log x plus log y. अब इसमें जस्ट उल्टा है। We have an equation without log and we want to get an equation with log. In the last question we had an equation with log and we removed the log to get the answer. Here we have an equation without log and we want to get an equation with log. So we will start with this. Since x square plus y square equals to 51xy, we can write it as x square plus y square equals to 49xy plus 2xy. Get this 2xy this side. X square plus y square minus 2xy equals to 49xy. Get this 49 this side. So x square plus y square minus 2xy upon 49 equals 2xy. अब आप अभी भी log मत लो. After we want to get an equation with log, so we will have to take log of both the sides. But पहले इसको क्या करना है आपको? You will express this into whole square form. You will write it as square of x minus y by 7. ऊपर वाला x minus y का whole square है, नीचे वाला 7 का whole square. So we can write it as like this. अब यहाँ पे फिर गलती करते हो आप. अभी log लेना है, आप लिखते हो अभी log ले लो, taking log of both the sides. Taking log. So what do we get? Log of x minus y by 7 whole square equals to log of xy. अब ये पावर लॉ से आगे लाओ. 2 log x minus y by 7 equals to इसको प्रोडक्ट लॉ से लिख दो, log x plus log y. Using the product law it can be changed to log x plus log y. Using the power law it can be changed to 2 times. अब ये 2 को इधर डिवाइड कर दो, log x minus y by 7 equals to half. Log x plus log y. I repeat, फिर से बोलता हूँ, आप में से बहुत लोग इसमें गलती करते हो, सो प्लीज़ अवॉइड दीज मिस्टेक्स. जो मैंने बोला है उसको ध्यान रखिएगा, नहीं तो एग्जामिनर आपके मार्क्स काटेंगे एंड दैट टाइम यू स्टार्ट क्राइंग, सर वाई हैव यू डिडक्टेड, मैम वाई हैव यू डिडक्टेड. इफ़ यू डोंट pay attention to the teachers, you will lose the mark. So be careful while dealing with these type of questions. So bye bye, meet you in the next video with the new chapter if you say, or if you say to do the chapter test, please write it in the comment box. See you in the next video.